Some yoga experts will show us the ins and outs of their sport. Wait to see this when we come back.
Well, we're going to talk sports and something a little different. If there's any sport that's misunderstood, it's yoga. In fact, you may be surprised that I even refer to it as a sport. But it is a sport complete with competitions and champions. One of those champions, world-renowned yoga expert Bikram Choudhury, was recently in South Florida visiting the Fort Lauderdale-based Yoga College of India, where one of his former students teaches. We're not kidding, folks. We stopped by to get a lesson in yoga.
Now take your time. Look in the mirror. Make sure your right knee is locked. Sharia. Kick your left leg heel forward towards the mirror. If you bend your knee, hands downward. Quarter of an inch, you lose the balance. Very good, Jim. See your knee bending? Bring your leg downward, and lock the right knee first.
I thought it was going to be meditative, and that I thought it would be some sort of religious thing. And I didn't know that, this Hatha Yoga is a physical workout. You learn discipline and concentration, which will help you with other things, but you come here to work out with your body.
By working the strength, you're developing muscle tone. And by working the stamina, you're also working cardiovascular. So this is a hard workout. It's different what most people think of yoga.
No. First you sit down, and then you bring your right leg up. Nothing shortcut in yoga, you know what I mean?
Yoga is a union. It's a union of body, mind, and spirit. And there are many different types of yoga. The type of yoga that we teach is called Hatha Yoga. And Hatha Yoga is more basic level, or the physical form of yoga. The difference between Bikram's beginning yoga class is we incorporate strength, we incorporate stamina, along with flexibility. They're equally important, and the result is astronomical in what it can do for your body.
And the shoulders to the left side. Does that make sense to you?
He's considered the greatest yoga teacher in this whole century.
Change. A left arm on the right arm, and hold your hands.
When somebody is thirsty, drinking water, a connection, relation, marriage, union between body and the water, that's the yoga. The human brain cannot imagine anything in this universe happening every fraction of a second what is not yoga. You eat the food, that's a yoga. You sleep, that's a yoga. And this is a one form of yoga. You are gaining extra energy into our system, some special, scientific, natural way. So everything is yoga.
Oh.
Whoa. Now, don't feel bad. That was Bikram's wife, a 5-time national champion yoga. Her name is Choudhury.
That's amazing. It truly is. Guys with rather large middles like mine, I think would have a real difficult time doing it. Whoop.
Okay, sit up.
Sorry.
Still ahead on News 4 530.